The Leaders Are Readers series. Aquia is great, provides a solid foundation for positive self esteem and engagement for young people to develop the tools to know that when they work hard, when they have a determined mind, that anything is possible. It's the perfect book for educators and parents alike to inspire the youth surrounding them with the skills that they need to know about the greatness that lies inside. Kofi loves music. It's inspiration to find joy in music in meaningful ways, of the sounds, while introducing new instruments and the possibility that not only can we all make music, but we can make the type of harmony that can change the world by bringing people together for creating music, but also for creating community. Kojo loves science. It's the perfect book to introduce the power of STEM, to help introduce that learning can happen in everyday life and in everyday moment. Kojo's father teaches him about STEM in daily activities and inspires him to explore what is a career in STEM and how he, too, can make a difference as he innovates, creates, and builds.